Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain Geraldine Isozie. Today I have a very interesting topic for you: hibiscus or zobo herbal bath. Have you ever had a herbal bath? I've been having mine even when I didn't even know it had significance in skincare. Way back when I was a child, when you have malaria, on some occasions, after having taken medications and all, they will still buy, my mom will still buy herbs from those local herb sellers in the market. She'll now boil in hot water, and now serve us to drink at night. Then you also have your bath with some of it. I didn't know it had skincare significance. It wasn't until I got into the world of skincare that I now understood the significance. You could use a herbal bath for any kind of skincare treatment. It could be like you want to lighten up, you can use herbs to achieve that. You want to firm up your skin, you can use herbs to achieve that. You want to exfoliate, herbs can be used too to achieve that. You want to clear dark spots and so many other things. Like for those that had chicken pox while they were adults, if they didn't make use of anything, it's always hard for the spots to go away. It might just end up being permanent. But my own older sister even made use of a herb when she had chicken pox, and it helps to fade all the marks. Right now, if you see her, you will never even know she had chicken pox as an adult. So today's topic is based on zobo or hibiscus herbal bath. Okay, why did I choose zobo? I chose zobo because zobo is a powerhouse of vitamin C. Yes, that's what it is. It's a powerhouse of vitamin C. It has so many antioxidants that helps in reversing the signs of aging. It destroys free radicals that leads to premature aging. So if you want to firm up your skin, because zobo also helps in increasing collagen production. So if you start seeing like your skin is sagging, elasticity is not so good anymore, just start using a zobo bath. Yes, and before you know it, your skin's condition will greatly improve. Hibiscus too is also awesome in purifying the skin's complexion. You know what vitamin C does to the skin? That is what it also does, because it has abundance of vitamin C. It will clear up hyperpigmentation, dark spots, even out your skin tone, that everything now becomes just one. Instead of having, you have dark spots here, you have a normal skin in one area. By the time you start having hibiscus or zobo herbal bath on a regular basis, you will notice that all the hyperpigmentations on your skin would have faded off. And if you have issues with dryness, hibiscus also is very good in boosting the moisture content of your skin. It is also very good for exfoliation, though it might be mild, but it also works fine. If the skin type on your body is very hard and hardly responds to exfoliants, then what you need is hibiscus. Yes, because it's been awesome on my skin. If I've not tried it, I won't come to talk about it. I've tried it, it has worked for me. If you have hard areas in your skin, because it helps to boost moisture, you can just start using it. But don't make the mistake of using it on a daily basis. It has the ability to make your skin to become sensitized. Don't go and acquire another skin challenge while trying to treat another. You can use on alternate days, it's fine, but ensure you don't use more than 3 times in a week. I don't know how you're going to spread it, but ensure you don't use more than 3 times in a week, and you don't use on consecutive days. Leave a day in between on alternate days, maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday, Thursday, Saturday. However you choose to spread it is fine, but don't use on a daily basis. So let's now go into the preparation so you know how you can prepare a zobo bath to clear different skin conditions. This is hibiscus calyx, or zobo leaves as it is popularly called in Nigeria. This is the ingredient we'll be using for the zobo herbal bath. So I will go rinse it up in water to remove every form of dust and dirt, because the water will be used on the skin, so it's best that it is kept clean. Here it is, free of dirt and dust. I just finished washing, so we'll now proceed to add to a saucepan or pot. Pour in some water, not too much because the quantity is not so much as well. Then we boil. I finished boiling. We boiled for about 5 minutes. I put off the heat and I am now sieving off the zobo leaves. They are no more useful, so I've sieved it off and I can discard. What we need is the water. So here we have it. The water is set for the herbal bath. As you can see, the water is not so much because you don't need so much. A bowl of this quantity can serve for a bucket of water. You just pour this into your bucket of water and you go have your bath. Because I just finished boiling it, so it's still hot, you allow it to cool down or to the required temperature you need before you now add to your bath water. You use it as your normal water. You scrub with your sponge as well and soap. It will help to soften the hard parts of your skin and also exfoliate your whole body. You shouldn't be scared about it staining your skin, because it won't. That is why we are only using a small quantity to dilute in plain water. We are not just adding so much zobo leaves, just like the one you would drink, so much zobo leaves into a very big pot of water and boiling to bathe with everything. That is why we are diluting it. So just this small bowl is enough to go for your whole body. I know people might complain that the zobo bath would stain their skin. That was why I specified in the video while we were preparing it that you don't need too much quantity. A bowl full is just enough for you to add to your bath water, and it is enough to do the work. It doesn't have to be, extra red, like you take a whole bucket, you pour the zobo leaves in it and you boil. That would be too much. Just that small quantity I showed you guys while I was preparing, you add to a bowl of water, you boil, you sieve out, and add to your bath water is enough to get the work done, because it will go into your skin. That is why it is advised not to put on your skin what you cannot put in your mouth. Your skin has holes that allows whatever gets in contact with it to get into your bloodstream. So don't think that whatever gets on your skin will not go in. It goes in. That's why that small quantity is more than enough to get the job done. So go try it out, and I'll be waiting for you guys in the comments to get your feedback. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you always be the first to know once a new video is uploaded. You can also buy my book, the Acne Handbook, with the link in the description box of this video. The Acne Handbook is all about acne, how it is formed, the causes, what can prevent it, and what you can do to manage it and eventually clear every form of acne from your skin. See you in my next video. Cheers.